Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Learn English with EA. In this video, you will learn daily used English sentences with conversations, which will help you understand better. Watch full video, do subscribe, let's start. I'm starving.
Hello.
Hi, you came at right time.
Really? Is there something special?
No, actually. I'm starving and I was just going to restaurant for some food.
So,
I was alone and I needed company, so I'm grateful to have you.
okay, so, let's go.
Touchwood. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Great.
You're looking gorgeous, Touchwood.
Oh, thank you, my friend.
Are you insane?
Can I discuss something?
Of course, we are best friends.
Actually, I want to break friendship with Tina.
Oh, are you insane? But why? She is your friend, right?
Yes, but I feel she avoids me.
Oh, that's the matter. Well, this is not a big issue. You just have to give her some space.
I think you are right, thank you.
Mention not.
4. Get him here.
Hello, Jenny.
Hi Candy, how are you?
I'm fine, I need your help.
Okay, tell me what can I do for you?
Actually, Harry, my son, is very upset because he couldn't pass his exam. What should I do to make him happy?
Oh, sad to hear. Get him here. We will do a lot of fun.
Yes, that's a good idea.
5. I'm on my way. Hello, my dear hubby, where are you? I'm waiting for you since morning.
I know, I'm on my way.
Okay, get milk with you.
Okay, darling.
6. I knew it. You know what happened yesterday?
No, I was out of town yesterday. What happened?
Dolly cheated Rocky, and worse than that, Rocky found out about this.
Oh, poor Rocky, I knew it. She is not a good girl.
Don't think too much. Hello.
Hi.
And where are you going?
Oh, I am going to buy new books.
Oh great. Which subjects did you choose?
I choose fine arts. Did you select your subjects?
I don't know. I'm very confused.
But, why?
Actually, my parents want me to become a doctor and I love arts. So, I don't know which subjects I should choose.
Don't think too much. Do what you want, and in which you are good.
Thank you so much. You are such a helping girl. Let me go with you and buy arts subjects. 8. I'll have to think. Hello, Julie.
Hi Lisa, what was you doing?
Oh, I was gone to market for buying gift.
Gift for whom?
Gift for Harry, obviously, we are invited in his birthday party today.
Oh, yes, how can I forget it?
So, are you coming with us in the birthday party?
Well, I'll have to think.
Oh, okay, see you in the party. Nine. Have a great day. Nine. Have a great day.
Hello, my son.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, are you ready for the first day of your job?
Yes, Mom, I'm ready, and I'm super excited.
I know you. Have a great day.
I love you, Mom. Bye.